Good day, good day. Today we are going to install a K&N Air Filter. The reason why I want to install a K&N Air Filter is because they claim you don't have to replace this every 10,000 miles or 15,000 miles like what's scheduled in your Lexus maintenance. Okay, and this you don't have to throw away and go buy a new one. For 55 bucks, around 55 bucks, I can keep this for 1,000,000 miles. It's got a 1,000,000 mile warranty. I don't know how good they are standing by their 1,000,000 mile warranty, because once I hit 1,000,000 miles on my car, I don't think I'm gonna be alive. So yeah. Anyways, and plus you're only supposed to clean this every 50,000 miles, like it states. And the one thing that sold me was it's supposed to increase horsepower and acceleration. And I think it's because of the fiber material on here. It's a lot stronger and a lot more porous than your normal filter elements. And right here, I don't know what language this. It's in Chinese. It's in Chinese, and it says you can get hot women also if you install this in your car. So let's go for it. Let's open this up. Let's check it out. Got this on Amazon. I'll send you the link. You don't have to go on Amazon. K&N Filter has its own, website. And what is this? Oh, great. It's a sticker. I can stick this on my car and advertise to people, hey, I have a filter. Come rob me. Come grab my very expensive filter. Here it is. Here's the packaging. It comes in a plastic package. Okay. Let's open it up. I kind of want to grab my old filter out here and compare it for you guys. Ugh. There you go. Looks like really good quality, and it's all oiled up. So the way that you're supposed to clean this is you're supposed to, let's pretend this is 50,000 miles later and it's all dirty and grimy and stuff like that. K&N tells you to go ahead and buy their cleaner fluid. What I normally do is I get soap and water in a spray bottle and I spray it. And before it dries, I use low pressure water and I rinse it off on both sides. I just rinse it off. Okay. And then I do it again. Spray with soap and water, and I rinse it off with low pressure water. Don't use high pressure water. Okay. And once you're done, what you want to do is you want to set this in the sun and let it dry. Just naturally let it dry. Don't use an air compressor. And once it dries, K&N tells you to go ahead and buy their oil. They have a K&N lubricant oil that you're supposed to spray on here before you do the install. But this came brand new out of the box, and it's already pre-oiled for you. And I can totally tell because the whole entire sides and everything is all oiled up. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to my car and check out my my air filter. I haven't changed my air filter in like 15,000 miles already. So my air filter box is right here on the passenger side. It's got 4 clips. All these clips look like this. All you have to do is just push them down. Okay. Even Bill Gates knows how to do this, man. That guy is the least mechanically inclined person. Him and your little sister knows how to do this. And there's one more back here. You see that? Boop. There you go. You don't have to remove anything else, guys. You could just lift this up. Just be careful. Just be careful. If this is really old on your car, if you have an older GX and this is old, it might be prone to cracking if you bend it up. But this car is pretty new. I've got to just bend it up. See how it bends up right there? Just be careful. And all I have to do is just take my filter element and take it out, just like this. Okay, let's set it on the table. Look at that. Yeah, it looks brand new, guys. Look at this. It looks brand new. Okay. The problem with this one on your stock one is every 10,000 miles. If you drive in harsh elements, it's every 10,000 miles. If you do normal driving, it's every 15,000 miles, and you have to replace this. Okay, so pretty much every 2 or 3 oil changes, you got to replace this, and this ain't cheap. This is like 25 bucks, right? I don't know how much it costs at the dealership, but it's roughly about 25 bucks for any filter element, and you're gonna have to replace it. So why keep replacing this when you could get a K&N and you could keep this forever, and you just clean it every 50,000 miles, and this is only 55 bucks, right? It's not math. It's not rocket science, guys. So let's go ahead and install the K&N filter. Okay, we're back at my car. I'm taking the K&N filter. We are going to install it this way, lengthwise, right? Because it's the length of the box. If you guys decide you can't fit it because you're installing it this way, you're a freaking idiot, and you shouldn't be working on your car. You should be getting your little sister to do this for you, and you should just call it quits on life, man. You're a freaking idiot. So you just slip this in there, and this top ledge right here falls on the seat of your canister right here, and it's a perfect fit. Look at that. Look how perfect that is. And all you do is just reverse the process and just clip on all these clips again. See that? It's a perfect fit. Let me lift this up for you guys one more time. Look at that. Bam! I just want to go put this back on, clip this back up. And I hear that a lot of people that install these things, their engine revving is quite a different sound. You might hear a hissing sound, so your car might be turning into a sports car. So more horsepower, more acceleration, right? Oops, there you go. That looks good. And am I going to throw away my old filter element? Most likely. I might just keep it as backup in case something happens to a K&N filter, like this stupid sticker right here tells people I got a K&N filter and they robbed me at gunpoint, and then I have to put this one back, right? All right. So let's go ahead and start the car. Engine just started. Do I hear a slight hissing sound when I step on the gas? I sure do. Let me try it out for you guys. You guys, that is the sound of more airflow. I could totally feel it in the gas pedal. The gas pedal is a lot lighter. I'm not lying to you guys. It feels a lot lighter. I do feel the air hissing sound. It's pretty loud. I'm really happy with this purchase. Thanks for watching, guys.